Hello students, good morning you to all. Previous lecture रे हमें connective tissue रो type discussion करथिले. Connective tissue रो गोटे chief characteristic हैला cells are so loosely packed so that there is more intercellular space, more intercellular substance. So cells very less, matrix is more, and on that basis the nature of a matrix we classified the connective tissue into three categories. Connective tissue proper, where the matrix nature is gel, neither solid nor liquid, and fluid connective tissue जेतेबेले कि matrix टा liquid, and skeletal connective tissue when matrix nature is solid. So we first come to connective tissue proper, where the nature of a matrix is connective tissue proper. Nature of a matrix is a gel. So connective tissue proper components and types. Components and types. Connective tissue proper, ultimately a tissue first, and basically as tissue has two basic components, cells and matrix, it also has two basic components, cells and matrix. Cells and matrix. But as I have told you in the characteristic feature, in connective tissue, the cells are of several types. Like in epithelial tissue, there is one type of cell. But in connective tissue, cells are of several types. Here also, cells are of several types and are of 7 types. And among 7 types of cells, some are resident cells. Resident cells. That means they are the cells of their own. Cells of their own. And who are they? Fibroblast cell, adipocyte cell, pigmented cell, and mesenchymal stem cell. So these 4 cells, they are of their own and called resident cell, nijaswa cell. And among the 4 different types, the first 3 remain differentiated. Means they specified to perform a specific function, meant for performing a specific function. Fibroblast cell, it is specialized to secrete the fibrous matrix. Adipocyte cell, it is specialized to perform storing the tissue. Adipocyte cell, fat cell. Pigment, the cell specified to synthesize pigments. But mesenchymal stem cell still remain undifferentiated. Reserve cell. They are not specified to perform a specific function. Rather, they can give rise to any other type of cell. Suppose fibroblast cell ro abasyakata padila. Mesenchymal stem cell can give rise to fibroblast cell and perform the role of fibroblast cell. Mesenchymal stem cell can give rise to, can transform to adipocyte cell and perform the role of adipocyte cell. So they still remain undifferentiated, not specified to perform a specific function and in reserve. That is called mesenchymal stem cell. So these 4 cells, they are of resident cell. Another 3 cells, immigrant cell. Immigrant cell. That means they have migrated from some other body part. Some other body part. So called immigrant. Immigrant, emigrant, migrant. Other body parts. Immigrant cell. And the immigrant cells are of 3 types. Histiocyte, plasma cells and mast cell. Histiocyte, plasma cell and mast cell. Histiocyte they are the macrophages. They are the macrophages of the connective tissue. Plasma cell produce antibodies. And mast cell secretes 3 substances. One, heparin. Second, serotonin and histamine. Heparin, the anticoagulant. Means the substance that prevents coagulation of blood. Serotonin, vasoconstrictor that constrict the blood vessel, and histamine, the vasodilator. So mast cell that secretes 3 substances. One, heparin, that is anticoagulant that prevent the coagulation of blood. Serotonin, the vasoconstrictor that can sankuchita kariba, constrict the blood vessel, and histamine that secretes, that is responsible for dilation of a blood vessel. That itself is a vasodilator. So these are the components of connective tissue proper. Cells, they are of 7 different type. 4 among them, they are resident cell. Another 3, histiocyte, plasma cell, mast cell, they are the immigrant cell. Then matrix. Matrix is of 2 types. One is homogeneous matrix. And another is fibrous matrix. The homogeneous matrix mainly composed of glycose aminoglycans, aminoglycans, GAGS, glycose aminoglycans. Your hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, keratin sulfate, heparin sulfate, etc. And fibrous matrix is of three types: white collagen fiber, yellow elastic fiber, and reticular fiber. So these are the matrix, more. Two types, homogeneous matrix and fibrous matrix. There are three types on the basis of their protein content. It is rich in collagen protein, elastin protein, and reticulin protein. Next, on the basis of the distribution of a fibrous matrix, the connective tissue proper again is of two types basically. Types of connective tissue proper. On the basis of the distribution of fibrous matrix, where the fibrous matrix present in very minimum amount, less amount, that is called loose connective tissue proper. And when the fibrous matrix present in abundant, it is called dense connective tissue proper. गोटे वर्ग किलोमीटर रे हजारे लोक, गोटे वर्ग किलोमीटर रे लक्षे लोक. That is a densely populated city, less dense populated city. Similarly, on the basis of the distribution of the fibrous matrix, whether that fibrous matrix present in less quantity or more quantity, accordingly it is of two types: loose connective tissue proper, dense connective tissue proper, and dense connective tissue proper. Loose connective tissue proper again is of several types. One is your areolar tissue, adipose tissue, pigmented tissue, mucoid tissue, reticular tissue. It is of five types: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Loose connective tissue proper. Fibrous matrix in less quantity. Fibrous matrix in less quantity areolar tissue, adipose tissue, pigmented tissue, mucoid tissue, reticular tissue. They are of several types. On what basis? As we have discussed, the cells are of several types. पिला माने मो पाखेरे 7 प्रकारर सेल एवं 2 प्रकारर मैट्रिक्स मो मुनि रे रहिला सेमानंकर डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट को नेकरी वेदर मु एरियोलार टिश्यू तयारी करिबी एडिपोज टिश्यू तयारी करिबी पिगमेंटेड टिश्यू तयारी करिबी कि म्यूकॉइड टिश्यू तयारी करिबी कि रेटिकुलर टिश्यू तयारी करिबी ऑन सबु जाक कंपोनेंट मोर एतिक अछि मो मुनि रे टोटल 7 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेल्स and 2 type of matrix, and it is mainly divisible on the basis of whether that fibrous matrix present in less quantity, that is connective tissue proper loose, abundant quantity, that is connective tissue proper dense. Again, loose connective tissue proper is classified into 5 different types on the basis of what type of cells and what type of matrix in how much quantity. Again, it is of several types. Areolar tissue, where all sort type of cells and matrix present in almost in equal quantity, that is areolar tissue. It is also called your packing tissue. Packing tissue. Adipose tissue, here all other components remain more or less, but specialized adipocyte cells are abundant, and adipocyte cells are fat storing cell. Fat storing cells. Adipocyte cells, there are 2 types. Monolocular with 1 fat droplet with 1 fat droplet एभली पिले न्यूक्लियस टा गोटे पेरिफेरी रे रहिबो दिस इज फैट ग्लोब्यूल This is fat globule and this is nucleus. The presence of a fat globule pushes the nucleus to peripheral, that is monolocular cell. Plurilocular cell, plurilocular with many fat droplet, with many fat droplet. So these adipocyte cell, monolocular and plurilocular adipocyte cells are abundant, and that adipose tissue is of white or yellow fat, where monolocular cells present, and brown fat which provide more energy, that is called brown fat. Plurilocular cell. Monolocular cell मानकु नेकरी जो फैट जो adipose tissue, that is white or yellow fat, normal fat, this is adipose tissue, this is adipose tissue, this is adipose tissue. And with plurilocular adipocyte cell, the adipose tissue that is composed of, that is called brown fat. Then pigmented tissue. Similarly, here the pigmented cells are abundant. Those cells, those can synthesize pigment that present in pia mater of brain, that present in choroid of eye, that present in skin, amaro melanin pigment, that is pigmented tissue. And mucoid tissue. Mucoid tissue the embryonic form of areolar tissue. Embryonic form of areolar tissue is called mucoid tissue. The embryonic form of your areolar tissue. Umbilical cord jelly, umbilical cord. Wharton's jelly in umbilical cord. It is a mucoid tissue. Wharton's jelly in umbilical cord. Umbilical cord. That is your mucoid tissue. And reticular tissue, where the reticular cells are abundant and mainly found in your lymphoid organs. Your lymphoid organs. And dense connective tissue proper, it is also two types. White fibrous connective tissue, white fibrous connective tissue, yellow elastic connective tissue, yellow elastic connective tissue. Here white collagen fiber abundant, here yellow elastic fiber abundant. This tissue present in two form, sheet and cord. It is also present in two form, sheet and cord. That means ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ମାନେ ଲୁହା ଚାଦର ଦେଖିଛେ, ଲୁହା ଚାଦର sheet of iron, ଏବଂ ଆମେ ମାନେ ଲୁହା ରଡ୍ ବି ଦେଖିଛେ, ସେଇ ଏକା ଆଇରନ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଛାଞ୍ଚରେ ତାକୁ ଦିଆହେଇଛି, ତାକୁ ଚଦର ଆକାରରେ କରାହେଇଛି ଅର ରଡ୍ ତାର ଆକାରରେ କରାହେଇଛି। ଠିକ୍ ସେମିତି ପିଲାମାନେ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ଫାଇବ୍ରସ୍ କନେକ୍ଟିଭ ଟିସ୍ୟୁ when present in sheet, that is pericardium, ତାମାନେ pericardium ଗୋଟେ white fibrous connective tissue, and that pericardium that covers the heart, it is white fibrous connective tissue ର sheet. And coda tendini, coda tendini, CHORDA, coda tendini, that is white fibrous connective tissue present in rod. This is pericardium, pericardium, the white fibrous connective tissue present in sheet. Similarly, yellow elastic connective tissue, where yellow elastic fibers rich in elastin protein is more, that is your trachea, bronchioles, that is the sheet, and tendon, ligament, that is cord. So students, this is all about your connective tissue proper. Next we will discuss about your fluid connective tissue and skeletal connective tissue. In fluid connective tissue, blood and lymph, and skeletal connective tissue, your cartilage and bone. So total we have already discussed in your introduction class about the different branches of zoology, biology, and the general classification. Then animal tissue we have already discussed the epithelial tissue, connective tissue. So in next class we will discuss about the fluid connective tissue, blood. So for today's this much. Thank you all.